Zimbabwe, a country with a rich tapestry of history and a complex political landscape, stands on the brink of a significant moment. As Zimbabwe prepares to take the helm of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, this August, the stakes couldn't be higher. But the road to this leadership has been marred with controversy. In the recent elections, President Emmerson Mnangagwa was re-elected, yet the election was criticized for not meeting multiple standards, including those set by the SADC itself. Observers noted a climate of intimidation and violence, which they say compromised the electoral process. Now, with Zimbabwe chairing the SADC, a regional bloc crucial for fostering cooperation and development in Southern Africa, questions loom large. How will Zimbabwe lead amidst these criticisms, and what does this mean for the region's future? The theme for this year's SADC summit is promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustainable economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. An ambitious goal, especially as Zimbabwe itself is undergoing a massive industrialization drive, with projects in mining and agriculture aimed at transforming it into an upper-middle-class economy by 2030. President Mnangagwa has expressed his commitment to making the summit a landmark event, promising a hosting environment never seen before. The SADC Executive Secretary, Mr. Elias Magosi, echoed this sentiment, marking this year's summit as a unique opportunity for regional heads of state to interact directly with citizens and showcase significant projects. Yet, despite these promising developments, the shadow of the recent election lingers. With preparatory work for the summit in advanced stages and international eyes closely watching, Zimbabwe's leadership will be under intense scrutiny. Will the promises of innovation and development translate into action, or will the controversies of the past hinder progress? As Zimbabwe strides forward, balancing its aspirations with the realities of its political and social challenges, the coming months will be critical. The success of the SADC summit could serve as a bellwether for the country's future on the regional and global stage. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this unfolding story, bringing insights and analysis right here. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates and in-depth analysis on this and other important global issues.